Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to finish your certifications. Recently one guy completed Coursera certifications online. The same way I'm going to do it in this video. So how to finish the certifications or finish the quiz, okay, finish the test using Comet Browser. Okay, it's very simple. What you need to do is, so go any certifications and just open it on, you need to open the URL on this Comet Browser, okay. I'll be providing the link in the description so you can use it. What you need to do is, once you launch the test or certification test, so you need to click on this assistant, okay. I'm going to click on this assistant. So click on this assistant and then click on this summarize the current web page, okay. So it's reading the web page. I think it's going to answer now. Simply type answer. Okay, sorry, test monitoring and control. So I'm going to choose it. It's right. Then next, the next question is same thing. Read the web page. Okay, now I'm going to type answer. So defects that were detected early. Okay, that's correct. So I'm going to complete the 20 questions using this. So I'm going to choose the next one. So analyzing the web page. So type answer. You can use this, okay. You can take a picture. Answer. So you need to basically sign in if you want, so that you can have full access. You can sign in. Okay, yes, already signed in. So now I'm going to ask the answer. So it says uncover software errors. Yes, it's right. So conformance to requirements. Wow, it's cool. Really is awesome. Okay, and then now guys, just I typed answer this and next question continuously out of 20. I said continue next. See, automatically it is navigating. It's a really awesome Comet browser. Can you continue up to 20? See, automatically, but it is making some mistakes. That's okay. Friends, everything is completed by Comet. See, I did one manual mistake, and but this Comet assistant also did a mistake. One mistake so far. So totally I need to get 18 marks. If it is 2, if the 2 answer is wrong. Really awesome. See, the 20th one also is going to complete. Wow. Fantastic, seriously. This is the mock-up of ISTQB certifications. But cool. It succeeded. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to submit. I'm going to see what's going to happen. Guys, this is really great, guys. Seriously, you can use the Comet browser if you need it really. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Definitely you will be liking this video. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks. Bye. Take care.